Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange Ultra Pack in store of EA Sport FC Mobile 24. So you will be guaranteed 82 until 95 OVR player. So let's get started by tap the store button and tap the recommend this one. So this is the Ultra Pack that contain mixed version player 82 9 until 95, two mixed version player 80 until 95, and four 75 until 95, and many more. So you will be guaranteed these rewards. If you're lucky, you can get this. The possible reward, for example, you can get this Jude Bellingham. This is part of UCL Group Stage Live player. And also the icon player such as Pele. You can get this Pele. This is the icon player, and you have to exchange with this. If you're top up, you are getting this a FC point. But if you are a free to play player, you can exchange with this gems pack. You need 6,250, and also there are weekly limit if you wanna exchange this ultra pack by 5 purchases per week. So please free to try this ultra pack. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.